Hello everyone. Um, so I hope everybody is having a great Sunday. Um, I do apologize for the lack of uploads. It's been pretty busy and I've just had, I just needed to take a break from, from uploading videos every day. I have uploaded shorts, so if you guys haven't watched those, if you could please watch them whenever you can. Um, But in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to do the following problem. So I'm going to kind of change gears here and do a different kind of problem where I do a dot product. So I've done these before on my YouTube channel, not as much, but I'm going to do this one so that you guys can understand how dot product works. It's pretty simple. Um, so basically, we have u, and let me actually, I'm gonna do it this way. U is equal to -4, 6, and v is 1, 2, right? Now, of course, when we have two, how do I say it? Two vectors here, the dot product is basically if u is equal to some, some factor, or some vector, actually, not factor, vector called u1 and then u2, and then and v is equal to some other vector. Let's call it v1, and let's do v2. Then the dot product, is the following. So it's gonna go u dot v, so u dot v is equal to, and it's gonna be u1 times v1 plus, and then it's gonna be u2 times v2. Okay, guys, so that is what dot product is, and so we're going to use this rule to do the following. And now, obviously, we want to make sure we kind of make a little sketch here, because we don't want to get these confused. And actually, since we're doing u dot v, obviously, u is really, let me just kind of pick a point here. Let's say this is -4, 6. So it's right here. This is u, vector u. And then v, and let me actually do that. And then v was 1, 2. So really, it's kind of like right. I'll just put it right here. So this is v. It's 1, 2. So the line that intersects, that goes through those two vectors, is really just the following. And of course, this is not drawn to scale. So really, I'm just kind of showing you guys how this works. The one we're going to make u1, v1, or I'm sorry, u1, u2 is going to be the innermost left side. So this problem is pretty, it's pretty self-explanatory once you draw it out. It is not as difficult. So this is u1 and u2, and then also, let me just make sure. And then this is v1 and v2, right? And v2. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and plug in the numbers. So again, I'm going to just state, what each part is. So u1 is going to be -4, and then u2 is going to be u2 is going to be 6, so u2 is equal to 6, and then v1 is 1, so v1 is 1, and then v2 is just 2, so we're just going to do that. So really this will be negative 4 u1 v1 times 1, so it'll be times 1, and then plus, and then u2 v2, which is 6 times 2. So this is pretty simple. We're just plugging in these numbers and then just doing arithmetic here. So then negative 4 plus 1 is negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, plus 6 times 2, which is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, so we can say that u dot v is 8. So that is how you do this problem, guys. I hope I didn't take too long in doing this one. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and also please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.